Hello everyone and welcome to the Midterm Project Instructions. This is the grading sheet I will use to grade you on. Use your imagination to create a midterm project. You'll see that I used mine on mine such as it was. The idea is to demonstrate to me what you have learned this semester. The first thing is this has to be everybody's individual work. Sorry about that for those of you that have a team together. You'll need to visit your project just as you're done with a little bit of a modification. As you can see, there are 15 requirements there that I'm looking for when I run through your code. And I'd like a little help with you pointing it out. So as you video code, please point out where you use each concept. Okay, you have this technical score, and then also you have an overall score. And you notice that you can get 100 out of 75 points. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a case of extra credit, and this is the only place I have where I have that built in. Enjoy it in good health. Now, for your demonstration, you'll notice that I will use the pause button to let my words catch up with my video. Okay, we start out with Socrates. Okay, and what I did was I used a camera marker to put the camera to him and focus in on him. I broke up his dialogue into 3 or 4 places and used do in order so that it made sense, but he didn't have this big enormous dialogue above him. And I modified the duration of those to 2 seconds so that you can actually read them. Now the next thing we will do is we will pan to another scene, making this a non-trivial scene. And I will make corn appear, which is a combination of a do together, since all of them will do it at the same time. And this is the modification of a property value, specifically opacity. And here we go. Okay, and I used a built-in method to pan over and get a good look at the husky, because everybody loves to get a good look at barking dogs. Now I use a loop to make him bark. One more time. And then I have asked the user for information. I'm going to talk about how many eye rolls did you give that, since it was a dad joke. And I have a place to input the information and store it as a variable. I have a function to validate it, just in case they want to get sarcastic and put negative 10 million or something. My little function handles that. And also in there I use an if-else statement to pick off if it's either too high or too low. Okay, for the next scene, this was done use a proximity function, so we moved just the right amount. Again, I ask for input, same function. Okay, you notice the average rate is a 2.5. That is the use of math. And we'll run it through one more time without all the comments, just so you can see what it looks like. And so it ends. Not sure why it started off again. I think I might have hit the escape key, but anyway. So, this is the midterm project. Take some time, enjoy yours, and I'm looking forward to seeing them.